Hey guys, today we are going to winterize our sprinklers, and to do this we have an air compressor and nozzle. Right here it's an air compressor quick connect plug, and what we're going to do first is turn off the water. Water lever up there, and we're just going to turn it off first. So here, how to check that your water is not coming is you just turn this on, and if no water comes, you're good. We're gonna attach the nozzle to this air hose. And put it in this so the air comes from the air compressor to the sprinklers so it knocks out any excess water. So now we're gonna turn the air tool on and regulate it at 50 psi. We have to regulate the psi to 50. Now we're gonna connect the air hose to the compressor. Now let's go turn on the sprinklers. Now we have to test all stations and run it. All the water is going away, so now we just have to wait until it comes. all zones are done. And one thing we noticed was when the levers are like this, like flowing, not like this, horizontal, like it seems to be flowing the way this pipe is going, and it does the same thing for this. So we might be wrong if this is how it works, but if it is, then yeah. Next thing you have to do is go downstairs or wherever your sprinkler system is and just unplug it. Right here, and take out the plug. In our area, it costs about $80 to winterize. So we just bought this $350 air tool at Lowe's, Home Depot. You can buy it anywhere really, but you can buy at your local store probably like $100 air compressor and it'll do the job. But we saved $80, you can do the same. And if you like the video, you can subscribe, like, watch more videos, and have a good day.